Alright, here we are. Underneath, you can see the tranny toward the front, and I'm coming back toward here. I'm going to do the output speed sensor. What you do is you pull this plug. There's the little jammy there. Then it's a 1-inch wrench. And what do they do with it? Put that on there. Okay. And be careful because it's plastic. Alright, you can strip it off real easy. You get that bad boy. You know what? Might be a good idea. Get the drain pan over here. Okay, because it looks like there's something coming out of there. Yeah, we're just gonna. There wasn't, but we're gonna do it. Includes a new O-ring. You want to make sure the other one doesn't have an O-ring. I saw that one coming out. So, and you just put that in there. Reconnect it. Well, you might want to tighten it up. You know what I mean? We 1-inch wrench. It's supposed to be a common cause of faults on these trannies, but you get it nice and tight. You feel for where your connector is. It's reoriented over there. Press it on there, make sure she's there. That was good. Would that take me 2 minutes? This is the final part of my little video here. And again, this is how I did it. You know, you'd be better off looking at a manual, getting somebody who knows what they're doing, does it all the time, teaching you. But what I used to seat my gasket here is sonic lock. I cleaned up the outside real good. Put a little sonic lock here. This stuff I use this stuff all the time. It's crazy. Works good. But figured I'd use a little bit here. You need it along the pan, but you don't need it along the transmission because transmission's already flat. And it'll go fine. You got your 14, 13 millimeter bolts. And I'll be ready to go. Okay? I've showed you all the hard part. Now I'm just going to take this up, bolt the pan on, fill her up with fluid, take it for a test drive. Keep your thumbs crossed. I know I am. Alright. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think, right or wrong. I always like to hear it, always like to learn. Alright. Thanks a lot. Take it easy now. Crashman out.